Good afternoon guys. Ito po yung mga unit namin ngayon available. Ayan. Toyota Vios 2023 for financing, one day process, 150k ang down. For in-house financing. Itong Toyota Yaris 180k ang down, one day process. 180k ang down. Honda Civic 150 ang down. Ayan. 200k ang down payment, one day process. 600k ang down payment. CRV 2021 1.350 M ang price. Toyota Camry 250k ang down payment, in-house financing, 2016 year model. Toyota Innova 400k down payment. Toyota Fortuner 400k ang down payment. Itong Mitsubishi 470k ang price, 150k down payment, one day process. Okay. Yan. Okay. Balitaan ko kayo guys sa mga available na units pa namin at sa mga darating pa. Okay, have a nice day.